ẹ̀yin èèyàn, Lizzy Anjorin mà ti jáde síta láti sọ̀rọ̀ nípa Lanre àbúrò rẹ̀ o, Lanre Ajíbọ́lá, lórí gbogbo ohun tí Lanre sọ wípé irọ́ ni Lizzy ń pa mọ́ òun o. Lizzy náà ti wá jáde láti fi ẹ̀rí tó dájú hàn, láti fi hàn fáráyé, láti jẹ́ ká mọ̀ wípé lótìítọ́ ni òun tọ́ Lanre Ajíbọ́lá o. Bí Lizzy ṣe ń jáde láti jẹ́ ká mọ̀, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni Lanre náà tó ń sọ wípé gbogbo ohun tí àǹtí òun sọ nípa òun pé irọ́ pátá ni. Lizzy ti wá gbé ẹ̀rí tó dájú jáde. Ẹ wá gbọ́ ohun tí Lizzy Anjorin tó sọ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ àbúrò rẹ̀ Lanre Ajíbọ́lá o. Ẹ wá gbọ́, ṣùgbọ́n ká tó play fọ́nrán yẹn, ẹ máa bá wa subscribe sórí YouTube channel wa, kẹ́ ẹ like, kẹ́ ẹ dẹ̀ máa comment. Ẹ wá gbọ́ ohun tí Lizzy Anjorin tó sọ nípa Lanre Ajíbọ́lá àbúrò rẹ̀.
Mo ní report, mo fi number brother àti olùkọ́ mo ní report Lanre, he will come. I nurture Lanre for how many years, let him be? How many years, let him be? I later brought him last year. That was 2020. Ṣé o pé 2021 ni mo ń text yìí? I later brought him last year. Mo sọ fún pé gbogbo ìgbà tí mo wà nínú oyún, tí mo ń polówó Florida, Lanre wà lọ́dọ̀ wa, abẹ́gi ló máa jókòó sí. Kò ní bá yín dé site rà. Kó dé site kó kú. Mo ní I later brought him last year January to come and work. He can't work. He was busy drinking ogogoro up and down. So now me be Mugun that will be bringing 50k every month, abi. When my mother was alive. Meanwhile 50k year ọ̀tọ̀ ni o. You see daddy, how many years let him be? Olórí burúkú ọmọ tó náà jọ tó wá pọ̀ ni. Olórí burúkú ọmọ ọ̀bànújẹ́ tó náà jọ tó wá pọ̀. Ẹgbẹ́ mi ò bá pọ́n. Kò yọjú sí màá yín rí. Owó tẹ́ ń wò yìí, ọ̀tọ̀ lélẹ́yìí o, ọ̀tọ̀ ni oògùn, ọ̀tọ̀ lówó ilé, ọ̀tọ̀ lówó oúnjẹ every week. Meanwhile 50k iná kọ́nà máa ń gbà o. Ẹ máa kẹ́lẹ̀ bá wọn pé 50k kọ́nà ń gbà. Mo ní 50k every month, àbí. When my mother was alive, how many family gave her dime? Has Lanre give 1 kobo to my mother? Has he ever brought common small bag of rice to my doorstep to say thank you, my sister, for standing for me at least? Okay, ẹ jẹ́ kí n padà sọ́hùn. Okay. Eléyìí la kàtàn ṣe ti rí. Standing for me, ẹ ti rí at least. So, let's go to the next one. Money Lanre used to bring, did Lanre used to bring bag of rice? Ni mo fẹ́ sọ pé did Lanre used to bring bag of rice and carton of turkey to Ajah? Ẹ máa bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run fa. Lanre will sit under the tree drinking ogogoro. I will be under sun working on landed properties. Please take motor to Owode Diroko. You will see Lanre. Besides, the wife have children to let everybody go and work. Okay, besides the wife, because àgbàlagbà lẹ́yìn ẹni tó ń text ni no less than 40, 45 o. Tọ́ni máa mówó wá o. Tí gbogbo wọn ni máa mówó wá. Má tiẹ̀ máa mọ̀ jẹ́ máa post ẹ̀ lálẹ́. Mo ní I was in hospital in October to January. Did I see any family? The only thing you are good at is to call me and be asking for money, even when I was at the point of death. Ṣé wọ́n fi ṣe yín ni? Since my childhood, nobody cared for me or my health. Once Baba Lanre called, the next thing is bring money. Even when I send 50k, he will tell me it's not enough. Ṣé rí pé wọ́n gba 50k mọ́? Ṣé rí pé wọ́n gba 50k? And I have to pay this every week, every month. Every week, kò wá mówó oògùn, kò mówó ilé, kò mówó gbogbo ẹ̀. Money, he will tell me it's not enough. Throughout my primary, secondary school, polytechnic, university, did Lanre or his father help me with a cup of garri or 1k? I've been giving Baba Lanre and Lanre since I was age what? Age kilele. Age kilele. You know this is child abuse. A child of 8 years feeding multiple mouths. Hey, imagine iye ọjà tí mo máa kiri. Ẹ wá ní mi kì í sùn. You don't know what these people enemy kisu mo yozu money since when I was 8 years till date. Ṣé wọ́n rán yín sí mi ni? During my mother's burial, Baba Lanre did not give a dime. Instead, he said if I did not give him money, he will not come until I sent money to him before he came to my mother's burial. My friend can testify to it. Did Lanre buy ordinary sachet of pure water to support the burial? Nye burial bàbá ẹ̀ fún rẹ̀ o. When my mother and Lanre stay in the same area, in Idiroko, did Lanre dash my mother 1 kobo? Please don't take my generosity for granted. Call Lanre and everybody should go and work, please. Cherry, only thank you, madam. I know before sending you this. First message, Takoko Kachetiri. Since age 8. Since age 8. Kí n tó lọ sílùú lọ mú Lanre ni mo sọ fún yín pé mo ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ kiri ọjà since age 4 ni mo ti ń kiri ọjà. Bí irọ́ Florida yìí ni mo wà tí mo ti ń kiri ọjà. But when I'm telling you my story, ẹ má rò pé rọ́ ni. Ẹlòmíà ní lórí rọ́. Age 4 ni mo ti ń kiri ọjà. Age 4. Age 4. Ẹ máa ọmọ kékèké tó máa wà nínú hold up, tó máa wà nínú bus stop. Àmàlà tí ẹlẹ́mí ń kiri. Mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ẹja díndín torí weight mi ò lè. Ẹja díndín àti gàrí ni mo fi bẹ̀rẹ̀. Age 4 ni mo ti ń kiri ọjà. Age 4. Imagine. So when you see me doing things, when you see me being smart, when you see me attacking you. Nígbà tí Dorcas Àtẹ̀sábọ̀dù àti Sọjí ń ṣe show fún mi. My enemy was between life and death. Gbogbo ìgbà tí mo wà ní oyún tí mo ṣe show, hospital ni mo ti ṣe ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ show. Tí mo fi ń polówó ọjà ni. I have not become a speaker then. That is why ẹ gbé phone ẹ rò pé fẹ́ pààyàn torí pé fẹ́ gbowó. Kí ló gbé wa dé junction tá wà yìí? Ìyábọ̀ Òjó fẹ́ gbowó. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó fẹ́ gbowó ló gbé wa dé junction tá wà yìí. Àbí ṣó ń taṣọ, àbó ń talẹ̀. Kí ló hàdé mi àti Ìyábọ̀ Òjó pọ̀? Ìyábọ̀ Òjó fẹ́ gbowó. Dorcas fẹ́ gbowó. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ò lè ṣiṣẹ́, ó fẹ́ gbowó. Olójú ẹ̀mí bí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ṣe assassinate Mohbad nítorí donation. Mo rí fídíò kan lálẹ́. Kọ́lọ́run jẹ́ kí n rí fídíò yẹn padà. Kọ́lọ́run jẹ́ kí n rí fídíò yẹn. Mo save fídíò yẹn, mo kọ́lọ́run jẹ́ kí n rí. Let me see. Kọ́lọ́run jẹ́ kí n rí fídíò yẹn. Ẹ wò.
We need you, the father, to agree on this. Ọmọ yín ni but ọmọ gbogbo wa ni. Àjọyẹlé àjọníni àjọbìnrin báyìí. The family to come on board on this.
Ọ̀rọ̀ náà lẹ gbọ́ lẹ́nu Lizzy Anjorin yèyé mẹ́ṣọ́ o lórí ọ̀rọ̀ àbúrò rẹ̀ Lanre Ajíbọ́lá o. Àwa kì í dájọ́, ẹ̀yin aráalé ẹ̀yin náà lẹ máa dájọ́. Kí lẹ̀yin náà rò sí ohun tí yèyé mẹ́ṣọ́ sọ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ àbúrò rẹ̀? Ohun tẹ́yin náà bá rò sí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ẹ bá wa fi sí abala comment section. Kẹ́ ẹ dẹ̀ má gbàgbé ẹ máa bá wa subscribe sórí YouTube channel wa, kẹ́ ẹ like, kẹ́ ẹ dẹ̀ máa comment. Ìkànnì King's Facts Gist TV òun lẹ wà yìí o. Ó dìgbà.